In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a professional-looking video that can help you attract clients on social media. We'll start by using a basic prompt to generate a video in InVideo, then go over how to edit and enhance it, and even hide the watermark using Canva. I'll also share some tips on crafting effective prompts to make your video stand out. Let's start with a basic prompt. For this example, we'll use a prompt like, as a seasoned professional, write me a prompt to generate a showreel video using InVideo that I can share on my social media accounts to attract clients. This prompt is effective because it clearly communicates our goal to create a showreel that showcases our work and is designed for social media to help draw in potential clients. Once we enter this prompt into InVideo, we'll generate the video and see the results it produces. This process will give us insight into how InVideo interprets our request and translates it into a compelling visual format. I will choose a short video to share on my YouTube Shorts and other social media platforms where viewers prefer concise content. You can select the video duration and background music by providing the link to the video. I prefer using a voiceover with a California accent, and you can decide whether or not to display subtitles. Also, please avoid using videos from stock, as they have watermarks that are difficult to hide. We'll copy the prompt we created and paste it into InVideo to see the result of the generated video. This step is essential because it helps us evaluate how accurately InVideo interprets our instructions and brings our vision to life. By reviewing the generated video, we can assess its effectiveness and identify any areas that might need adjustment. Our video is now starting to generate. This process only takes a few seconds. Once it's complete, we'll have a professional-looking video created from just a simple, basic prompt. Even a straightforward prompt can produce impressive results, showing how easy it can be to create high-quality content. Let's give it a moment and then check out the finished video. Our video currently looks as though it was created by a beginner video editor rather than by AI. While it looks decent, there's definitely room for improvement. To make it more polished, we'll add smooth animations between transitions, giving it a more professional feel and making it more engaging for viewers. We can edit the video by entering this prompt and clicking on Generate. This step will apply the adjustments, adding the edits and animations needed to improve the overall look and feel of the video. We're going to edit the animations between transitions to create a smoother, more professional flow. We can also enhance the video by changing the subtitle colors, adjusting the background music, and refining other visual elements to make it more engaging. It's done. Let's take a look at the result and see how the transitions flow between each part. It looks much better now. Next, let's explore how we can change the duration of specific parts of the video and even replace certain segments with different footage. Adjusting the duration allows us to emphasize key moments, while swapping out parts of the video can refresh the content or improve the overall flow. By making these changes, we can enhance the viewer's experience and maintain their engagement throughout the video. We will change the first part of our video. To do this, you simply need to select any section you want to modify and change it easily. This allows us to update content, replace footage. Let's replace the current section with this new video, as it looks more attractive and will enhance the overall appeal of our project. Click on the Apply Changes button. This will take a few seconds to process. Once it's done, we'll see that our video looks significantly better. Our video looks much more professional now. Let's download it for free with a watermark. Don't worry, we can easily hide the watermark in Canva in just 1 minute. For our social media reel, we want to ensure that we download it in 1080p quality to keep it looking sharp and engaging. Our video is now preparing for download. Once the download is complete, we'll be able to view it in the default media player on our Windows software in a larger format. Our video is now ready. Next, we will edit it in Canva to easily hide the watermark for free. Using Canva for this task is an excellent choice, because it offers a variety of user-friendly tools. First, click on Create Design in Canva. In the search bar, you can type Short Video to select the appropriate size for your video. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can customize the dimensions to fit your specific needs by entering terms like Reel, Video Short, or Instagram Post. Using the correct dimensions is crucial because it ensures that our video will fit perfectly on the intended platform, whether it's for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or other social media posts. Let's drag our video file from the laptop into the Canva design area. We can then adjust its size by clicking and dragging the corners to enlarge it. This step is essential for effectively covering the watermark. Enlarging the video is important because it allows us to strategically position it in a way that obscures the watermark while ensuring that the main content remains visible and engaging. By doing this, we can achieve a clean, professional look for our video before sharing it on social media. Our video looks much more professional, as if it was fully crafted in Canva. To download it, simply click on the Share button, then select Download. The download is now preparing. Once it's complete, let's open the video in full screen to review the final result in detail. This will allow us to check that all edits, transitions, and adjustments are in place, ensuring that the video looks polished and professional. Also, remember that practice is essential. Before sharing, take some time to experiment with different features. Start by crafting a good prompt in InVideo, then refine it further by editing in Canva or another video tool. This extra practice will help you get more comfortable with each step and build valuable skills, making future video creation easier and more efficient. Now that our basic prompt has given us a solid result, let's take it up a notch with a more refined prompt to see what kind of improvement we can achieve. We'll speed up the process since the steps in InVideo are similar to those we used with the basic prompt. Once we have the updated result, we'll also make a few finishing touches. We'll select a new background music track to create the right mood, adjust the subtitle color to improve readability, and even try replacing a section of the video for better flow. These small tweaks make a big difference in creating a polished, professional final product. We will give ChatGPT our requirements to help us generate a good prompt. Imagine you are a skilled designer and video editor. Please create a clear and effective prompt for me to use in InVideo to make a showreel that will help attract more clients when I publish it on my social media account. This is the generated prompt. Let's analyze what makes it a good prompt. This is the generated prompt. Create a dynamic, 45-second showreel to showcase my skills as a skilled designer and video editor. Start with an engaging opening that includes my name or logo, using a modern and stylish font. Add text overlays such as creative vision in action and bringing ideas to life to capture attention. Next, feature a series of short clips that highlight my work in graphic design and video editing. Include segments of logo designs, visual graphics, and color grading examples. Show a mix of design work and video editing highlights that demonstrate skills like clean cuts, professional transitions, and vibrant color adjustments. Add text labels like professional edits, creative solutions, and innovative designs to emphasize expertise areas. Let's analyze what makes it a good prompt. This prompt has all ingredient. Task: create a dynamic, 45-second showreel to showcase my skills as a designer and video editor. To context: this showreel will be used to attract potential clients by demonstrating my expertise in graphic design and video editing. 3 exemplar: the prompt describes specific content to include, such as logo designs, visual graphics, and color grading examples, which serves as an exemplar of the type of work to showcase. For persona: present myself as a skilled designer and video editor. 5 format: the structure is laid out with clear timing, for example, opening, main content, closing, and specified content types. 6 tone: the overall tone is indicated to be dynamic, engaging, and professional. Now, let's copy this prompt into InVideo and see the result. We will also change the background music by copying a link from a video on YouTube. Choosing the right music can enhance the emotional impact of our video, making it more engaging for viewers. Music sets the tone and can evoke specific feelings, helping to create a stronger connection with the audience. Additionally, we will change the color of the subtitles to ensure they are easy to read and complement the overall design of the video. Clear and visually appealing subtitles not only help convey our message effectively but also enhance accessibility for viewers who may watch without sound. Well-designed subtitles can attract attention and maintain viewer interest throughout the video. We'll also replace parts of the video to improve its flow and coherence. By making these adjustments, we can ensure that the final product is polished and professional. Don't forget to practice. Practicing all these elements will help you create a better video using prompts. With practice, you'll become more comfortable with the process and be able to create 20 or 30 videos for social media using AI. This not only enhances your skills, but also opens up opportunities to make money as a creator or through affiliate marketing. The music has been changed in the background. You just need to copy the link, paste it into the prompt, and click Generate Now. Let's change the color of the subtitles and replace parts of our video. Thank you for joining me in this session. I encourage you to practice the techniques we've explored today to enhance your skills further. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into creating impactful content. Your journey as a creator is just beginning, and I'm excited to guide you along the way.